Welcome to the December 2025 construction update for Grand Solaire, located on Thappraya Road in South Pattaya in Thailand. Construction momentum at Grand Solaire continues to build, with steady progress on every front. The main tower has now reached the impressive height of the 62nd floor, reflecting our commitment to rapid advancement. Q-Con wall installation is currently underway on the 54th floor, while exterior plastering has progressed up to the 33rd floor. Meanwhile, our teams have completed the installation of electrical, mechanical, and bathroom fixture systems through the 39th floor. Floor tiling work has advanced to the 39th floor, and aluminum doors and windows along with glass balcony doors have been successfully installed up to the 26th floor. This accelerated progress puts us firmly on track to deliver Pattaya's most exciting new residence. Stay with us for future updates as Grand Solaire continues to redefine the city skyline. Start your plan B now. THAI-investproperty.com